Hi guys, it's me. After such a long time, it looks like a mess. But as for the title of this video, first off, I'm going to do Instagram videos instead of YouTube videos. So first off, I'm gonna do a beach like makeup because I'm going to the beach, but I wanna look cute because my skin looks terrible. You guys need to eat healthy if you want healthy skin. I don't, so I don't have any. Therefore, I have to wear a little bit of makeup. That's fine if you don't. Go you. That's wonderful. I just got this. Look at how cute. It's super small. And I feel it's really good because it's very blendable. As well, it was like super lightweight. I wore it yesterday for the first time and I really, really liked it. So I'm gonna be using this today, okay? It's the Hangover by Too Faced and it's really good. I'm gonna test it out today and see if it actually runs out nicely with this weather because it was raining so bad this morning. Like, it woke me up. It woke me up. Okay, so we're gonna dab this out. That's around the face, only on the places that you actually feel that you need it. After we use this, I do like to wear foundation. I do, honestly. So I'm gonna be wearing this. That is a liquid foundation, but it's super, super lightweight. And it has SPF and all that stuff. So it's really good and also it's good for my skin. Because this will like balance it out my oily skin. I'm telling you guys, I've been eating crap. Therefore, my face will look like crap. That's so bad. But it's true, I mean, what can I do about it? Nothing really. So what we're just gonna do is tap it out. And yes, I use my fingers. I try to use just this finger because it's the most like lightweight. So this finger can hang. I'm dying. So yeah, I will put it just in like my problem areas that they look like pretty red. That'll be my forehead and my nose. Really sorry about this lighting though, it's pretty bad and I just noticed that. Usually I wouldn't wear blush, but these blushes are really nice. It is this palette. Really don't know what's the name of this. It was literally $5 in the $5 store. I really like them, like I'm being that serious. Yeah, I mean that's life, you know. So I will wear this super light pink one here. And I know at the end of the day I'm gonna be by the beach, so it's gonna be pink anyways. This is like a fancy beach makeup look. And we're gonna grab the brush to put the blush. English, the blush. No, yo no tengo cash. Okay, so once that we have these two colors applied, yeah, that was really awkward. So you see, it's only like the upper side of the eye, not that much on the inside. We leave that clean so it looks natural because we're natural. So once that we have the eyeshadow makeup part done, we're gonna wear a little bit of mascara. I don't really need mascara because my eyelashes are pretty good. They're pretty nice. Not gonna lie, I like them a lot. I'm gonna use this by Tarte and it's called Lights Camera Lashes. But I do like to wear a lot of mascara, so you can already see some difference. This is my good eyelash eye. It's not that good. Now once that is done, I wanted to wear red lipstick today because my bathing suit is red. It's red and it's like entirely red, so this will look pretty cool. Now the thing with red is that there is a couple of red shades and yeah, that'd be an issue. And that really bothers me. Wet your lips a little and tap it in. This is for the beach. I'm telling you, this is a fancy beach. What I'm gonna do is kind of like smush out the edges. So what we're gonna do now is take off the hair. We're going to the beach, believe it or not. And this is the final makeup. You like the lighting? So you can see. It is. It's like flirty makeup, okay? You can use it for anything. One thing, I never do my eyebrows, as you guys can see. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in my next Instagram video, I guess. Bye.